What is up guys, this is me Zara and you're watching into my channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so that I get notified each time a new video is uploaded. Now in today's vlog guys, I will be teaching you on how to properly wash your hands. So just a disclaimer, I am a nurse and I actually help my patients and also other people to give some informative health education. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so the reason why I create this video is that I wanted to raise some awareness on how to properly wash your hands. So just a disclaimer guys, I am a professional nurse, so it is my duty to educate everyone on how to properly wash your hands. Now I am going also to give you some tips on how to, if there are no soaps available or water available, you can have it with you each time wherever you go. So as you can see guys, there are already a lot of number of deaths in China right now. It's rapidly increasing and we are actually quite bewildered because we don't know what's really the root cause of these virus. But based on the knowledge that I have got, it's basically a droplet transmission. And once you have that on your mind, we want to make sure that our hands are clean because these hands that we are using each time we eat, each time we go to the bathroom, it's actually a lot of germs in our hands. So the reason why I made this video is I wanted to share it to everyone that there is a proper way on how to properly wash your hands. Now in washing your hands, there is a proper way to do that. Make sure that you have a clean soap and a clean water, and then once you have a hand soap, make sure that your hands are wet with water, and then starting from palm to palm, and then in the back of your fingers or in the back of your hands, in between fingers, and then your nails, and then your thumb, and then rinse it with clean water, and make sure that you have to wipe down your hands with a clean towel or a paper towel, and then you're done. So you have to frequently wash your hands before and after you eat, after you go out to the bathroom or use the bathroom. For healthcare professionals as well, make sure that you have to wash your hands before and after you go to your patients, and if any other procedures that you are doing to your patients. This is also to prevent from spreading any microorganisms. Now if you're also going outside and you don't have any soap and water available, make sure that you have it with you alcohol. So this one is actually, I got this one many years ago, and I just refill it. I actually bought a big alcohol and then have it refilled so that I can reuse it again. If you don't have the alcohol, you can also use hand sanitizer. This one is also a refill, so we bought a big hand sanitizer, and I also put this one so that I can reuse the bottle. Now if you are also going into public places, make sure that you have with you a mask or surgical mask. Now there are a lot of videos in YouTube, alleged videos on YouTube, on teaching you on how to properly wear the mask. Basically, you have to wear it facing the blue outside, because this is actually a water resistant. So if there are any splash or any droplets, it won't really contaminate or it won't really reach to your face. But again, this is not 100% protection. It's just only to prevent, getting the virus.